Hello everyone. First I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I shampooed, added a little bit of oil, which is the Donna K Naturals. As you can see, hair growth oil. Yes, so I'm going to add a few drops and I'm just going to rub the oil in from root to end all over before adding the styling product next. Alright, so here is the styling product, which is the defining custard. I'm going to open it up and let you see the consistency of it. It is a water-based product. And now all you need to do, in case your hair has been sitting, you want to make sure you're starting with wet or damp hair. So I'm just going to just re-wet it and apply the product from root to end. Grab a small section, apply it on there, and just work the product through slowly. So all I'm doing here is moving the hair to the side because it's easier to just focus on one section at a time. Now I'm taking the dimming brush and brushing the curls, which is defining the curls even more, and it's detangling at the same time. As you can see, once you rake it all the way through, the curls start to form. So now all we're doing is just repeating the steps, which is take another small section, put the hair to the side, and begin to add the product. Alright, so I just wanted to come back on right here and just say don't be afraid to go back and detangle your curls or go back through. It will not mess your curls up. In fact, it will just keep defining them each time. As you can see, this side has Donna K Naturals custard. This doesn't. Curls, no curls on the other side. Very big difference, you can see it. Now let's go back, parting our hair into small sections. Make sure you remove the hair out of the way that you're not using. Focus back on that section. Spray, add product, take your dimming brush, rake, detangle through. You can never go wrong with using your dimming brush every single time. It defines the curls exactly how you want them. Just take a moment and just watch how the curls kind of in slow motion forms. Alright, so we're back to the routine again. So I'm just going to try to speed it up because we're doing basically the same thing. Mix the water, add the product, take your dimming brush, and follow through. So we're going to be doing this until the whole head is completed. All I'm doing right here is just applying some product right at the top of my hair because sometimes we miss that. And there you have it. All of the curls are defined all the way around. Yes, hunty, yes. So if you would like to achieve this style, go to www.donnaknaturals.shop and get your products today. Thanks for watching.